What if I told you that there's an easily accessible, ridiculously inexpensive food product that you can buy from nearly any grocery store, which has the ability to improve your health, help you lose weight, nourish your skin, and clean your home without any harmful side effects? Would you believe it? It's true, and you may have even used it for one or two of its powerful benefits. Do you know what this amazing natural product is? If you said apple cider vinegar, you're right. Apple cider vinegar is Mother Nature's all-natural multi-purpose magic elixir. ACV's benefits are backed by modern scientific research, and natural health enthusiasts have been promoting it as a safe, effective solution and remedy, with dozens of valuable uses for hundreds of years. Now, if you're excited to learn how to put this magic elixir to use for your own personal benefits, then we have the perfect ebook for you. It's our Guide to Apple Cider Vinegar. In it, you'll learn how to use ACV for a wide variety of health-related issues, how to use ACV to eliminate skin conditions and promote beautiful, healthy skin and hair, how to use ACV to clean and deodorize your home more safely and effectively than with store-bought chemicals, how to enhance your pet's health using ACV, and so much more. This book is full of simple recipes and formulas for how to properly utilize the amazing benefits of apple cider vinegar. But we didn't stop there. We know that many people want to enjoy the health benefits of ACV, so we had one of our top chefs create some absolutely delicious recipes including apple cider vinegar. This little cookbook is called 10 Delicious Super Healthy Recipes with Apple Cider Vinegar. And you get this bonus cookbook free when you order your Guide to Apple Cider Vinegar. This incredible bundle is too valuable and too affordable to pass up. Order now for instant access to the ebook and bonus cookbook.